Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can create a box symbol in your Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So first is we need to open the Microsoft Word. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match to open it. Click on the blank document. Then here, you will find this insert. Now you have to click on symbol. Click on this drop down arrow and choose more symbols. Now here, if you have or if you can find a box symbol or in a square symbol, then you just need to simply click on that and click on insert. Now here in my case, I can find it. So I have here the shapes. Click on that. And I'm just going to choose a box symbol in here. And then I'm just going to drag it here. Now I'm not going to put some color in it. So click on shape fill and click on this. That's it. Now if I want to simply have multiple boxes or create more of this, I'm just going to make a click on this and select copy. And then I'm going to paste it. And then drag this here. And that's it. So that's how you can create boxes on your Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.